See this letter. Is it because of this letter I sent for you?
Why would they want to dethrone you? What the boom backlad? What a one? Are they the ones to tell you when to do your fala?
I wonder. And help us. Help us. Help us.
Don't worry, Ike. I'm working on 1 or 2 things for you already.
Thank you very much. I trust you. Eh? Because I was wondering, why will you be dashing people money when your own Igwe, your special Igwe is just there? Eh?
No. I have good plans for you. Your enemies will bow. They will cry. Yes. Don't worry at all. Don't worry, eh? And as for your fala, just start preparing for it.
Agunwa.
Now my mind is
Agunwa. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you, my daughter.
Anayo, why are you people making this whole thing to look so impossible? That I am no more interested in a relationship. Is it by force?
It is by force, oh. Akwamia. It is by force. How can you date my sister for many years? Now you want to throw her away. Without marrying her, after promising that you marry her, you want to throw her away. No, it will not happen. Never!
Anayo, I am going to make it up to you and your sister Asa. Okay? You want to go?
The only way you will make it up to her and to me is to take her to altar, put a ring on her finger, marry her, bring her inside your house, and impregnate her as your wife. Yes, that is the only way you can please us. Else, you see how that? Else must roll.
Are you threatening me in my own house?
Yes, sir. I'm threatening you. See, let me tell you, Akwami, if you don't marry my sister, I will not leave you alone. Yes, I'm going to set this house ablaze. You don't know me, go and ask of me. Tomorrow now you say Anna is a troublemaker, Anna is a troublemaker. Go and ask of me. You must marry my sister. If you don't marry my sister, see this house. This house will go into flames. You must marry my sister. Watch out and see. Watch out and see.
It's okay. Let us settle this whole thing.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.